Hello, welcome back to Tommy's Cooking in the Jungle. I'd like to send a shout out to my sponsors today, the number 7 and the letter P, for obvious reasons. My other sponsors today, the Friends of the Library Bookstore down there at the Kahu Manu Mall. Wonderful store. I picked up both of these for 50 cents each. Lost Kingdom, highly recommend it. Incredible story about the overthrow of the Hawaiian monarchy. Amazing book, really well detailed and cited very well. And then this is just a really fun, based on real life novel. It's hysterical. Getting Stoned with Savages, trip through the islands of Fiji and Vanuatu. Great surf destinations, great book to read on the plane down there if you're going down to Bali or whatever. Right,
Thanks. That looks interesting.
Today we're doing the Eggs Frontier, the famous Talbot family recipe. I've got some shredded potatoes I bought at the store. Normally we bake a potato the night before, or several if we're doing a lot. Bake a potato the night before, put it in the fridge. It's so important for it to be cold and cube it, right? Small pieces. Red onions always, never white, never yellow. Red onions for this recipe. Yogurt, you eat the yogurt beforehand because you're hungry, right? And with the amazing granola, I just found this one. I really love it. It's incredible. There's no wheat at all in it. It is a super keto. It's all nuts and seeds. It's amazing. $8 at Walmart, but worth it.
Blueberry cinnamon.
Yeah. And of course, we always have our sun-heated gummy bears for extra energy. And I did choose a different butter this time. I usually go with the go-to everybody does, the Irish stuff. What's it called? Everybody gets it now. And it's good. It's organic. It's grass-fed. But this has
Land O'Lakes.
Yeah, no, Land O'Lakes is crap. Oh, this is Land O'Lakes. It's with olive oil, though.
Minnesota?
And I really like stretching my butter with olive oil because it gives it a higher temperature point, a higher flash point, right? And taste wonderful with that little bit of olive oil. You could do this recipe with olive oil, but make sure you use extra virgin because you don't want that flavor of olive oil to spoil this Western flavor we're going for.
Okay.
So again, come on over, take a look.
Okay.
Mise en place, right? Get everything ready. Slice your cubes of cheddar cheese. I go with mild cheddar. A little bit bigger on the onions because we're going to cook them down quite a bit before we put the potatoes in. No milk in the eggs. Normally I put a tiny bit of cream in, but not today because we don't have any. Lilikoi is just there for looks. Turkey bacon, perfectly crisp, and of course garlic. And remember, always put your onions in before the garlic because the garlic's much smaller pieces and it's going to get cut faster. All right, let's go, Eddie.
Okay.
Oh, black pepper in the eggs, salt in the eggs. I have Himalayan salt. We won't forget to put it in. Here we go. Cut. The pan's not on. Who turned the pan off?